Hello, I'm John, and today we're discussing Vigil Wheeled Fire Extinguishers. They're biggies. These are a 50-litre fluorine-free foam, a 50-kilogram ABC powder, a 50-litre lithium ion batteries, and hiding under this, we just wanted to show you what a wheeled cover looks like. So for protection outside, this has got a CO2 cover. Now I'm going to pull it off, give you extra protection. Sure that works better on telly. And that's a 20-kilogram CO2. These are for large fires. One of the reasons we're recording this is because half the people watching this will be fire extinguisher technicians. And the reason you're all watching this, I know, is because you've never seen them close up, have you? Because these are not widely sold in the UK. Other countries, they have them everywhere. But the most likely place to see these are at airports, helipads, things like that. However, since the internet and since companies selling online, like Vigil products, and selling direct to end users, like you wonderful people, at the trade prices that fire extinguisher companies buy them at, these are now extremely affordable. And again, so let's start off with pricing. It may change, but this is why you don't see many of them. Plus, obviously, as you said, extinguisher technicians have no idea what they look like, what they do, or how to maintain them or anything. Fluorine-free foam is around about, at the moment, around about £800 at the moment. The AFFF version, but which will have an end of life due to PFAS ones, it's probably about 500. The 50-kilogram powder is 300 odd. The 20-kilogram CO2 is about 400. There is a 10-kilogram one, which is 300 odd. The lithium, now this is different. The 50-litre lithium is unique. That is about 1,500 quid, but look it up, there aren't others. It is half the price of anything else. And if lithium-ion batteries, fastest growing thing. So a lot of warehouses should have something like that because it's big. Now I'm going to use this as an example, just to show you what the back looks like. All right, now these are easy. So take it like that, one-handed, I can move it. Let me move around and show you what the back looks like. Nothing special, nothing to see. These have big wheels. These are designed for the job. Pull it back. Most of them operate in a similar way. The hose, very simple to use. This is going to go everywhere, but it has a safety pin, little tamper seal underneath to show you if it's been messed about with or used. Once you pull the pin out, you can then release the lever. It still won't go off until you squeeze and do all your normal thing. Forgive me if I can't be bothered to reel that back up. On a CO2, like any gas cylinder, normal gas cylinder, pin out, twist. The difference is you have a lever, simple to operate, and a CO2 horn. Again, just like a normal fire extinguisher, but these have a different standard. These are manufactured, or quality ones are anyway, like these, are manufactured to EN 1866 Part 1. Fire extinguisher standard is EN 3, is very different. In liquid ones, the lithium is a liquid, so this is stainless steel, the cylinder. The fluorine-free foam, which at the time of recording is the only wheeled fluorine foam extinguisher in the UK that we have seen so far. Come on, boys. Everyone else is still selling cheap Chinese imported AFFF. But stainless steel, it means they will last. You'll find that these have the ship's wheel, which means they are approved for use on marine, oil rigs, ships, etc. Ferries, imagine what you get going on in a ferry. They can be maintained, they have standard guarantees. Make sure when you have a technician that they are experienced, that they know how to safely maintain one of these. You don't want them setting them off and then telling you it wasn't their fault and telling you how much it is for a refill. To find out more details, to see data sheets, etc., and all the approvals of this fantastic well-priced price range of Vigil Wheeled Extinguishers, just follow the links at the end of this video.